Alright, so in this haircut, what we are going to do is take the sides down short and part of the back short, but then we're going to have it disconnected from the top and the center back. So, the very first thing I'm doing is I'm going through and just cutting the hair as short as I can with my fingers on these sides. And I'm going to work my way all the way to where the head starts to curve in the back. So I want to leave the length in the center back, so we're going to cut behind the ear just to about where the head starts to turn, starts to curve, and then from that point forward, we're going to leave the hair all long. And then we're going to go through and just slice up and texturize a lot of the top and the back. So right now, I'm just going through removing the length on the sides, taking it down as short as my fingers can take it. Alright, you can see the length that we left in the center back, so now it is time to do the left side. Not a whole lot to explain here. Basically going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take the left side as short as my fingers can go. I'm going to work all the way back just behind the ear to where the head starts to curve so we can keep that center section nice and long. Alright, so now it is time to address the top and the back. We've left the top and the back the longest. So I'm going to go through and just really texturize the top. I'm basically taking sections, combing the hair up. You can see I'm using the point of my scissors to chip in to make it light and make it textured. So, going to cut the top, then we're going to go through and slice out a lot of the hair. We're going to do that on the top as well as the back, and then basically style and dress the hair with some pomade to give it a nice, chunky, texturized look. Alright, so now you can see I'm going through and just slicing out a lot of the hair throughout the back. This is going to give it a more texturized, kind of more wispier versus heavier, lighter, kind of a cooler effect versus flatter, if that makes sense. Okay, so just going through, slicing up the back, slicing up the top, and then we're going to stick some pomade into it. You can see the disconnection from the sides and the disconnection from the top. Okay, we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We wanted to do something creative, but you could see how the sides and partially the back is tighter. And then basically it slowly blends into the length in the back, and we just took some pomade and basically just dressed the hair. We did a lot of texturizing, so it's a lot of weight that's been removed to make the hair light and full. All right. Well, if you got any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.